Okay, here we are at the portfolio show. Everybody's setting up. These are the digital camera people setting up their stuff. Fortune cookies. Oh, that's Lisa's. There's mine. Chelsea's. Tony's not here yet. Daniel's. Thomas isn't here yet. Jennifer. Lindsay. Melissa. Alyssa. Jake. Mike. And Mark. Julia's not here. Kayla's not here. Josiah's not here. This is the infamous Nemo HQ. It's kind enough to host us. Very cool. There's David, one of our fabulous teachers. There's Chris, another one of our fabulous teachers and our dean. There must be the bicycle room.